Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my videos. Today I am sharing Rava Poori recipe with Maida and Aashirvad Atta. It is another variety of Poori recipe. For this recipe I have taken 1 cup maida, 1 cup Aashirvad atta and 1 cup semolina, that is Bombay Rava. Then add 1 teaspoon salt and mix all the dry ingredients. Generally, only maida is added in Rava Poori, but I am adding Aashirvad atta also to make it healthy. Now mix 1 teaspoon ghee and mix with all dry flour. Crumble it well. Now add half cup milk, melted sugar 1 teaspoon. Mix everything well. You can also make dough and keep it overnight for soaking the rava and make the pooris next morning. Now start kneading the flour by adding little water. Do not add all the water one time. You can add 1/4 glass of water whenever you need. So I have added 1/4 glass of water 3 times. You can add water as much as you need according to your requirement. Knead everything well and make a soft dough like this. Then add 1 tablespoon oil and knead again to make it more soft. If you want to add some water, you can add. Now apply 1 teaspoon oil on dough and cover it completely. Let this dough sit for 30 minutes. Keep it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see the dough has become more soft. The rava is completely dissolved. Knead it some more. Now knead it again on rolling pin. Make portion of dough as you like. This Rava Poori is made in small size, so make small portions of dough. Roll it and with the help of knife cut small sizes of dough with equal size. Take one portion on your palm and make it round. So it will not crack while making puri. Like this you have to do. Make it completely round portion. Apply some oil and roll the dough in small size of puri. This Rava Poori should not be very thin, otherwise it will not rise from the oil, it will not get puffed. Now heat oil. Add puri when the oil is completely boiling, otherwise the puri will not get cooked properly. Cook it till it gets completely brown. I'm frying another puri. So the Rava Poori is ready. You can see it turned very good golden color. These puris are very soft and crispy also. You can have this Rava Poori with tea or any vegetable gravy recipe also. This Rava Poori is a completely delicious and tasty breakfast. In my kitchen there is chicken gravy also, so I'm showing you can enjoy this Rava Poori with chicken also. If you like this video, please tell me in comment, and thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.